This 14th question. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center. So these are the two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along north-south. This is north direction, this is south direction, and east-west, east direction and west direction. All other streets of the city are parallel to each other. You can observe here all these streets are parallel to each other and are 200 meters apart. Consider the distance between each street is 200 meters. So here the scale we are taking as 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. There are total 10 streets in each direction. So here 10 streets and here also 10 streets in each direction. Now the first question is, using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters, draw a model of a city in your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single lines. So here this is the diagram. So this is the first question. It's coming to second question. There are street intersections. In the second question, there are street intersections in the model. So here you can observe this is sixth street and this third street, both are intersecting here. One running in north-south direction and another in east-west direction. Each street intersection is referred to in the following manner. So how these are intersecting? One example is given. If the second street running in north-south direction, second street here, this is the second street, north-south direction, and fifth street in east-west direction. Fifth street, this is the fifth street, east-west direction. So where these two are intersecting? Here, these two are intersecting here. So here he gave that this is the intersection point of 2, 5. So this is the intersection part of second street in north-south direction and fifth street in east-west direction. This is the intersection point. Using this convention, find, the first question is, find how many street intersection can be referred to 4 and 3. Here 4, 3 means, 4 means north-south direction. North-south direction 4. This is the 4. Next 3. 3 means east-west direction. East-west direction 3 is this one. Where these two lines are intersecting, where these two streets are intersecting here. These two are intersecting here. This is 4, 3. How many intersection points are there? Only one intersection point, which is 4, 3. Next. Second question, 3, 4. 3, 4 means 3 in north-south direction. This is a 3 north-south direction. Third street is this one. Next, fourth street in east-west direction. East-west direction, fourth street is this one. So where these two streets are intersecting here, this is the intersection point of these two streets, which is a 3, 4. Now how many intersection points are there? Only one intersection point, which is 3, 4. So this is about 14th answer.
Next question will be continued in the next video. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.